Assalamu alaikum. We are going to discuss today the three Hicksian laws. So Hicksian laws is basically based on the Hicksian demand curves, and we know that the concept of the Hicksian demand curve is basically discussing about the compensated demand curve, and we draw specifically the Hicksian demand curve. And first of all, we will trying to discuss about the first law of Hickson. And the first law of Hickson is very simple. It says that the own substitution effect is always negative. So if the own substitution effect is always negative, so we may write in this form the consumption in X with the price of the X is always negative. तो ये हमेशा एज ए ऑर्डिनरी गुड की तरह बिहेवियर करेगा कि प्राइस का अपने से नेगेटिव इम्पैक्ट ही मौसूल होगा. सिमिलरली द कमोडिटी वाई के लिए भी आपका ये सेम चलेगा. सो if we want to prove this thing, the first law of Hickson, so we are just taking as a Hickson demand function, and Hickson demand function we have the separate lecture, and you can easily find out the Hickson demand function. We are just using here the already derived Hickson demand function, and we say that if the X is the Hickson demand function and we want to say that whether it is proved that the first law, so the own price impact is always the negative. अगर मैं इसका price of X से derivative लूँ, so what will be this denominator term will go into the numerator and the sign will be the -1. So the term will be u py 0.5 and px -0.5. And when I will take the derivative, so -0.5 will be in the base. So the total derivative will be 1.5 because -0.5 -1 it will be the 1.5, and when again it will go into the denominator, so the term will be power will be the positive. As a result, what happened? This is the less than 0 because the minus is there. So we may easily say that the first law of Hickson is proved that the own substitution effect is always negative. Now we move on the second law of Hickson. And in the second law of Hickson, we says that the cross substitution effect are always symmetric. जो क्रॉस होंगे वो ऑलवेज बराबर होंगे. एंड क्रॉस में हम ऑब्जर्व करते हैं व्हाट इज द क्रॉस. दैट्स मीन इफ द वी आर टेकिंग द डेरिवेटिव ऑफ द एक्स विद रिस्पेक्ट टू द प्राइस ऑफ वाई, it must be equal to the taking the derivative of the y with respect to the price of the x. So अगर हम इनके डेरिवेटिव्स लें, इनके चेंजेस निकालें x का with respect to py and y का with respect to px, तो they always will be the same, they always will be the symmetric. So we have the both demand function and we can easily try here. So if we are trying to prove that the x with respect to the py, so what will be in the x, the py in the numerator, so 0.5 will be in the base u and py will be the will be the -0.5 because positive 0.5 minus 1 it will be the -0.5, and then the px will be the positive 0.5. Now we are going to take the derivative of the y with respect to px. The same thing is that px in the numerator, so 0.5 will be in the base u and px will be the -0.5, and py in the denominator will be the positive. And then if we will solve it further, so it will be u 0.5, px 0.5, py 0.5, and similarly here we will have the same value u 0.5, px power 0.5 and py power 0.5. So very simple, we can easily observe that they both are the same. So taking the derivative of x with respect to py or taking the derivative of the y with respect to px, they both are the symmetric result, and it is proved that the second law of Hickson, the first law of Hickson, the own substitution effect is always negative. Second, the cross substitution effect is always symmetric, always equal. The third law is little bit different, and we have to think that, and the third law can be written in the three different form for the two gate case. Number one, we may write the third law in the form of the elasticity. First of all, in the elasticity and in the demand curve. So the law says that the Hicksian demand function are homogeneous of degree 0 in the prices according to Euler's theorem. And in the homogeneous of degree 0 means that any function which is converted in the own price elasticity and cross price elasticity, if you will together, so that the result will be the 0. This is mean the homogeneous degree 0. Similarly, if we are discussing about the demand function y, so the own price elasticity of the y and cross price elasticity of the y, the sum will be the 0. Or the other form of the function is that if the function of the x with respect to the px mean own substitution effect and cross substitution effect will be the multiplied with their prices, so the result will be the 0. It's very simple. The basic equation basically is this, and if we want to convert this equation into the elasticity, so it can be easily. So the basic idea is this, basic law of third law of Hickson is this, and in the writing we can say that homogeneous of degree 0 in the prices. So now we have to think px, and we know that this derivative of the x with respect to px, where is it, where it is, this is, so it is already calculated. We can write, we can put here, और यहाँ पर put करने से हमें क्या फ़ायदा होगा, हम देखते हैं कि px पे पावर है 0.5. ओके, so this is px, this is derivative of the x with respect to px plus py, and this is the cross function derivative. So we have also calculated the cross effect, change in x with respect to the change in py. So the answer is 0.5 u py 0.5 and px 0.5. So now we have to think that what is, whether this is going to be 0 or not. So first of all, this is a px power 1, this is a px power 0.5, and if we take this power in the denominator, so what will be 0.5 u p power 0.5 and px 1.5 minus 1. Okay, now we move on this term, and this is a py, this is a py, this is a positive and this is a negative. So we may say at 0.5 u and the py is equal to 1 minus 0.5, and in the denominator we have the x power 0.5. So what is going to be happen, this is negative 0.5 u py power 0.5, and in the denominator if we will solve it, so the px will have the simple power 1.5 minus 1 mean the positive 0.5 and plus 0.5 u p power py power 0.5, and in the denominator the px power 0.5. The both terms are same, and one in the negative, one in the positive, so it will be the cancel out, and it is proved that they are homogeneous in degree 0 in the prices. So these are the three laws of the Hicksian. First is the own substitution effect is always negative, second is the cross effect are always symmetric, and third one is the functions are homogeneous degree 0 in the prices.